Hello children. How are you all? Going good? Welcome to Drona Edu. So, myself Chandana, in this class, I am going to teach you the second standard mathematics lesson number 11 and the chapter name is time. Till now, we learned days in a week. How many days are there? And we done 2 more activities to learn the weeks, right? So now let's get into the next topic. So what is the next topic then? It is yesterday, today and tomorrow, right? So what is meaning of yesterday, children? What is the meaning of today? And what is the meaning of tomorrow? Today means, children, the present day, right? So if we are in Sunday, then it will be today, right? So yesterday means the previous day, means if we are in Sunday, then yesterday will be Saturday. And tomorrow means the next day of our present day, right? If we are in Sunday, then tomorrow means Monday, right children? Yes. Okay, now I will tell you one situation, children, right? So are you all ready to listen it? Yes. So then you have to tell me which is today and which is yesterday and which is tomorrow, right? So let's see what is that situation. Fine. Here there are 3 friends named as Rama, Raju and David. Fine. So who are these friends? Rama, Raju and David. So these 3 were friends, right children? So just imagine if today is Friday. Fine. Yeah. So it's birthday of Rama. Whose birthday? Rama's birthday is on Friday. Fine children. So yesterday he went to the birthday of his friend Raju. So yesterday was his friend Raju's birthday. Right children? And this Raju and Ramu are going to birthday of David tomorrow. So children, don't get confused. It's a Friday and birthday of Rama, and Rama went to his friend's Raju's birthday yesterday, right? So and this Raju and Rama went to their friend David's birthday tomorrow, right children? I hope you all got situation. Now I will ask one question. Name the day on which Raju celebrated his birthday. Then tell me on which day Raju celebrated his birthday. Yes, it is Thursday because on Friday Rama celebrated his birthday and he went yesterday to his Raju's birthday. Means so his birthday day is Friday, so yesterday means Thursday. So our answer is Thursday. So the next question is, name the day on which David will celebrate his birthday. Yes, it is Saturday. So after Friday, which day will come? Saturday. Right children? Very good. So now try to analyze some more situation about this yesterday, today and tomorrow. Will you all do that? Very good then. Now children, let us do some more activities to learn this concept of yesterday, today and tomorrow. Fine. So now I will show you one table. You have to complete it. So one will done for you. So you have to follow that table and you have to complete it. Fine. Shall we do that? Yes children. So here is your table. Here children, I have given you yesterday, today and tomorrow. There are 3 columns, right? So the first example what I have given, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So in the column of yesterday, I have given you Sunday and today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, right? So now you have to complete the table, right? So in the next row, they have given only tomorrow, right? So tomorrow means The next day of today means the next day of present day. Right, children? So they have given Thursday at which column? At tomorrow column. So think, children, if tomorrow is Thursday, then which day is it today? It is Wednesday, right, children? So today is Wednesday, then which is the previous day? Which is yesterday? Tuesday, right? So Tuesday yesterday and Wednesday is today and Thursday is tomorrow. So very good. So now let's see the next one. Fine? Yes, children. So in the next column, they have given Tuesday. Tuesday in yesterday column, right? So now we have to find out today and tomorrow. So think, children, if yesterday was Tuesday, then present day is Wednesday as usual, right? So if today is Wednesday, then tomorrow is Thursday, right, children? Yes. So now let's go to the next one then. Here they have given today, right? So today is Saturday. So think, if today is Saturday, then what will be the next day? Sunday. So in the tomorrow column you have to write Sunday. So what is the yesterday? Which day comes the previous day? Yes, it is Friday, right? So yesterday is Friday, today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday, right, children? So now let's go to the next one then. Fine. Here they have given Thursday in yesterday column, right? So now tell me, if yesterday was Thursday, then today is Friday, then tomorrow is Saturday, right, children? So very good. Now let's go to the last one then. So are you all ready to go to the last one? Yes. So the last one is, they have given Sunday in the today column, right? So think, children, if today is Sunday, then the previous day is Saturday and the tomorrow is Monday, right, children? So very good. Now let's go to the next activity then. So here the next activity is fill in the blanks with suitable answers, right? So here I will tell you the statement and I will give you one blank. So you have to fill the blanks with the suitable answers. Fine? Let's start. Yes, children. So here is your first question. If yesterday was Sunday, today is dash. So think, children, if yesterday is Sunday, then the today is Monday, right? So the first day of a week is Sunday, then after first, second will come, right? So the second day of a week is Monday, right? So the next question is, if today is Friday, tomorrow will be, think, let's imagine today is Friday. Then the next day is Saturday, right? So let's go to the third question then. Third question is, if yesterday was Wednesday and then today is dash and tomorrow is dash. So yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday, right, children? So very good. So the fourth question is, the day which comes after Monday is dash. Yes, after Monday it is Tuesday, right, children? Very good. So now let's go to the next question then. Tuesday comes after dash. Yes, you're very good. Your answer is good, children. So our answer is Monday, right? So the day which comes after Monday is Tuesday. We know that. So the sixth question is, the day before Thursday is dash. So they are asking in indirect form, right, children? So let's imagine, if today is Thursday, then which the day which comes previous? Yes, it is Wednesday, right? So our answer is Wednesday, children. So let's go to the next question then. If today is Saturday, yesterday was dash and tomorrow is dash. Yes, The yesterday was Friday and tomorrow will be Sunday. Then I will ask you the last question. Are you all ready to do that? Very good. If Monday is Anagha's birthday, the next day is dash. Here children, one girl is there. Anagha, she is celebrating her birthday on Monday. Right. So the next day will be Tuesday. Right children? So our answer is Tuesday.